That was awesome. So cold. It's been frustrating the last couple days. Was planning that this whole next week would kind of be the big sort of mountains week, bunch of backpacking, but because I can't get into the roof box, none of that's happening. So instead of going to the North Cascades, ended up driving down to Seattle, staying at a friend's house last night, went to the locksmith this morning to see if the locksmith could open it, but they couldn't. And so I'm just gonna have to order a new key from Thule, but that won't get here for a couple days. So, not gonna be backpacking this week, but change of plans. Olympic National Park.
That's Kingston.
There you go. Thank you very much.
Yeah, lane number 4. Okay?
Cool. Made it to the trailhead, to what I think is a pretty cool waterfall. I've only ever seen pictures of it before, but guess I'll just go check it out. Fall colors are pretty incredible out here right now. Almost tripped on a paved path. Well, to be honest, the waterfall is slightly underwhelming. It's pretty cool. I think it would have been a little bit better with a little bit more water, like if I were to come here in the springtime. It's still nice though, and I'll try to find some kind of shot around here. Found this little side path here, hoping maybe it goes up above, kind of to the top of the waterfall. It's pretty cool back here in the forest. Made it up above the waterfall now. You can see it kind of pouring down. It's a nice view, but still can't see too much of the waterfall. So there's definitely a way more interesting sort of waterfallish cascade back in there, but it's pretty cliffy and steep. I just don't know if I can get down in there to try to shoot it, but it would be pretty cool. See, there's like this whole cascade coming down back in there, but there's a cliff. So I just have no idea how I would get down to that. Really in the thick of it now. Not a path anymore, but the cooler waterfall. It's right down there through all those bushes. See if I can get there. Alright, ended up making it. Pretty cool waterfall back here. Goes further down there into the valley, and I'll walk around a bit, see if I can find some nice shots, but it's definitely cooler up here than it was down at the bottom. Just definitely gotta work to get here. It's a nice little water slide there. It's a really nice water slide. That was awesome. So cold. I didn't bring a towel because I guess I wasn't really expecting to be water sliding right now, but not too cold right now. It's kind of warm outside. Got some clothes on now. Awesome view looking down the valley here. Pretty massive waterfall. There's some nice mist drifting in. It's So I think I'm gonna get out the camera. Might be worth taking a couple shots up here. Just kind of maybe do some long exposures, smooth out the water. Maybe put myself in some of the photos with the red jacket to kind of provide a contrast to all the greens and yellows. See what I can do here. Alright, so I think it's a cool shot to use the wide angle, going at 16 millimeters. Just looking up at these two tiers of waterfalls. And then I'm gonna get out onto that log going across, and you got all this green contrasted with my red rain jacket. I'll show you what I'm looking at through here. I'll flip it to video mode. So you can see it's just nice and wide. Super vertical, and there's a little bit of mist coming through the trees up near the top, but just a nice kind of composition, the way the waterfalls lead you back into the crazy dense forest. So just gonna run up there now, set this thing on a timer, hope it all turns out pretty well. As you can probably tell, that was pretty sketchy up there on the log, just super slippery, so I didn't make it out as far as I wanted to, but I think the shot was still okay. It's not the best, but I'll take it. Definitely cool to find this water slide, but light's starting to fade now, so better pack up quickly and head back down to the car. Made it down to the car. Definitely don't want to get stuck up in those woods at night. That'd be scary and dangerous. So I ended up taking just one more shot on that waterfall that really kind of dropped off down towards the valley as the mist started to come in. That I was kind of happy with. Maybe a little bit more so actually than the one with where I tried to put myself in it. But either way, good little adventure up there. And now I just gotta go find a place to sleep. So there's this little road right there, supposed to be a national forest road. I passed it and it doesn't exist. It's just not there. I don't really know where to go tonight. Pretty view though. I think this I'll have to do right here is just a little dirt pull out. I am in the national forest and the road is gated, but I'm a fair ways off the road, maybe 100 yards or so, so should be okay. Hopefully I don't get woken up in the middle of the night by a forest ranger or something, but I think I'll be fine. It's only about 8 o'clock. It's only 8 o'clock right now, but pretty tired from today, and so I'm just gonna get quick dinner and probably go right to bed. I think I'll just go ahead and end this video right here, but I've still got 3 days to explore the Olympic Peninsula, so catch you guys in the next one.